Here are the SKU codes on the packaging, and here is the tool that works properly. As you can see that the adjustment screw there is all correct, and when you close it, it gives you space here at the top so you can put the wood in there. The one that is broken, let me just open this one. The one that is broken, you will see that this adjustment screw is loose, so it does not adjust. When I close it, it leaves me with no space at the top, so I can't use it. When I open it here, you'll see that nothing happens here. So this is where the problem lies with this adjustment screw. The whole fitting is loose, whereas the correct one, you will see that that is in the right position and fixed. I hope that will be sufficient evidence. Thank you.